Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Time to look at another old model. And this one comes from 1982. Good year. Not saying how old I am. 43. Um, yeah, this is what we're looking at. Here's the box. It came with a box from eBay. We are looking at a J13, the original release. It didn't come with a crew or vacuum pipes, but I did fit my own. Product code. There we go. So, yeah, I'm narrowing down what I'm running. Trying to keep more within LNER. So, and Great Northern became part of the LNER, so it's appropriate. So let's bring it forward. Here is the model. We will take it off the track and have a look. Great Northern, metal handrails, front vacuum pipe fitted by me, whatever that is, screwdriver fitted by me. This one is the preserved A13. Rear vacuum pipe underneath, no traction control tyres, lovely. It's either an XO3 or an XO4 motor in there. I can't remember what worm it had. If it's a metal worm, it'd be, I don't know, it's a metal worm, so it'd be XO4. There's a rear, got glazing, yeah. No sprung buffers, because it's from 1982. So that's the current model. Hornby are bringing out a new version. So I will just show the image of the render, because not actually out yet, so we don't know what it looked like. But here's the render. No, that's my pug. That's the render, which is the same one as. No, it's a different running number, so they're not doing that one anymore. And that's Rapido's render for. Because they're both bringing it J13 or J52, I believe its LNER name was. So these are technically wrong, the safety valves and the whistle on it, but hey, this was 1982. But they're brass, metal, as is a whistle. And let's get the logo running. Definitely noisier in reverse compared with in forward. As I thought, it's stored, so it might be called a little git. Yeah, it's definitely quieter in forward than reverse. So yeah, I'm trying to narrow down my fleet, what region I'm going to model in. Well, I'll just buy the old LMS Southern Great Western that take my interest, and push come to shove, I can run them in BR. So let's have this put in the coaches, shall we? Dot track. Right, let me just go a couple up. We've got it. Yeah, not a bad runner. Bit noisy. Builder's plate needed to be painted. I believe they are painted on the new ones when the new ones come out. So that's for J13, an ancient design from the end of the 19th century. I'm getting the shakes again. Yay. Not bad little tank. I probably need to give them another service. But it is, look how much smoother it is forward. Yeah, not a bad little purchase. You should pick them up on eBay for 20 to 30 quid, depends. I didn't have any paperwork with mine, so mine went complete, but sure, it's the generic paperwork of the day for Hornby, but it has all the motor types on it. Yeah, a bit of paint missing there, but hey, it's 43 years old, so. And it was either today or yesterday, marks my first year doing model railway videos, so thank you for joining me so far. And someone started up a vacuum cleaner, annoyingly. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye! That speed was completely prototypical, wasn't it? No. See you soon.